Hey guys, this is your instructional video for your lesson for November 19th, 2020. So you'll be watching 3 videos on Edpuzzle today. They are the Industrial Revolution, the Factory System, the Mills, and the Erie Canal. And after you watch these videos, you're going to answer these 3 questions down here, which are pretty open-ended for the most part, except for the first one. But of course, that's your choice as far as which tool and which inventor you pick. But you should be able to answer them based upon watching the videos. If you have trouble answering them based upon watching the videos, then you can take a look in your book, because the videos that we're watching today are going to be covering pages 190 through 194. So those are your instructions. Please feel free to email if you have questions. Thank you.